Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss regarding the today's hearing of High Court on conducting of TS sets like TS Eamcet, TS Eamcet, TS PG set, TS Polyset and all the sets of Telangana and UG PG final year examinations. Before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative updates regarding the TS examinations. As you all people know that the appeal filed by the NSUI was to be here today in the High Court, but due to some reasons the High Court has postponed today's hearing. TS High Court is postponing the hearing regarding the conducting of all the sets of Telangana and UG PG examinations. So the NSUI President Venkat Balmur sir will be coming live today on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook for discussing the postponement of High Court hearing today. So Venkat Balmur sir will be explaining in detail regarding the cancellation of today's hearing, why it was cancelled. He will be explaining in the detail what is the reason of cancelling of today's hearing in the High Court. You people must watch his live session today at 8 p.m. and comment your reviews regarding the conducting of TS Cets examination and UGPG examination in the comment section. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.